JCID Face ID tag on Repair FPC. No need to solder and align. Use directly after activating, burning and installing. Even beginners can fix Face ID easily. The Face ID of this 12 Pro Max is unavailable. Let's exclude infrared and floodlight problems first. Connect mobile phone to computer. Click Trust. Open JCID Repair software and enter Read phone interface. Infrared and floodlight codes are normal. It means that the Face ID problem is mostly caused by dot matrix. Now let's repair the dot matrix. Remove the Face ID FPC. Step 1. Activate the original Face ID FPC. Buckle the X14PM Face ID activation RW adapter on V1 sprue. Connect the adapter to power by DC fast charge cable. The PD fast charger for the adapter must be with 9V2A input, output. Connect 12 Pro Max to V1 sprue by Type-C USB cable. Boot up the phone. Click Trust on the phone. Buckle the original Face ID FPC on the corresponding port of V1 sprue. Click Detect. The result shows the chip fuses. Notes: abnormal communication and Face ID repair for the second time cannot be fixed by tag on Face ID FPC. Other problems can be fixed by tag on Face ID FPC. Click More. Click Activate. Now let's check the requirements for activation. Version no less than VonePround22. Connected with mobile phone and trusted. Original Face ID connected. PD fast charge of the adapter connected. Wi-Fi in good networking. Click Activate. It starts activating the Face ID FPC and back up the iCloud data. When it shows Activate successfully, remove the Face ID FPC and back to the Detection interface. Step 2. Writing data. Buckle the JCID Face ID tag on FPC of the right model on the corresponding port of V1 sprue. Click Open File. Click iCloud file. The iCloud file is named after the activation time by default, based on which users can judge and select the file that needs to be burned. After confirming everything is well, click Detect. Click OK. When it shows writing successfully, remove the FPC. Step 3. Install the FPC. Now we buckle the tag on Face ID Repair FPC with burned dot matrix data on the original Face ID FPC. Flatten the Face ID FPC. Put up the upper front camera FPC. Infold the Face ID FPC by 180 degrees. Lay down the front camera FPC. Buckle with the JCID tag on Face ID FPC. Fasten with tape. Fold upper by 180 degrees. Fold the FPC upper by 90 degrees. And then fold down by 90 degrees. 12 Pro Max JCID Face ID tag on FPC installation done. Additional notes: if you need instructions of JCID Face ID tag on FPC of all models, please visit JCID official YouTube, https://2.b/ngl10s6f. Check 6. Step 4. Install and test. Buckle the Face ID FPC with the JCID Face ID tag on FPC on the corresponding port of V1S Pro. Click Detect. When it shows FPC function normal, take off the FPC and install it in mobile phone. Here is a metal shide covered on the 12 Pro Max Face ID FPC. Please cut off the positioning metal plate inside the shield before installation. Note: it's also necessary for 12 and 12 Pro to cut off the positioning plate inside the shield before installation. Don't need to do that for other models. Boot up the phone. Face ID input normally. Unlock screen normally. 12 Pro Max Face ID is repaired successfully.